This reviews for Felix Wong. I had an absolutely amazing experience with him. Just so knowledgeable, to the point, calm, easy to talk to. Um, I really appreciated it. And he also kind of volunteered from his own self some extra tutorials that would help, had some very high level, just deep information, and very confident with his space within FinTech. And it gave me some very good ideas moving forward that I'm very excited to implement, especially with the partners, as fintech can get quite tricky. And he sort of had the inner hacks required for me to be able to achieve the goals that I want to achieve when it comes to growth hacking or growth marketing in general. So I recommend Felix without any hesitation. I highly recommend you book him for a consult, especially if you're fintech.